Nature built a nuclear reactor long before humans knew how to split an atom. It sounds impossible, but in a remote patch of West Africa, 1.7 billion years ago, the ground lit itself with a power source that ran for tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of years. The discovery started like a detective story. In 1972, technicians refining uranium noticed something wrong. The uranium ore had far less of the easily fissionable isotope than it should. No accident, no human reactor, just a mystery buried in rock. The surprise was brutal. The rocks were a fossil reactor. A natural chain reaction had occurred inside the Earth. How could that happen? Two conditions lined up like a cosmic coincidence. First, ancient uranium contained far more of the active isotope than modern ore does. Second, those uranium deposits sat in water-soaked sandstone. Groundwater acted like a moderator, slowing neutrons so they could split neighboring nuclei. When water flowed in, the reaction ramped up. The heat boiled the water away, starving the reaction and shutting it down. When it cooled and water returned, it started again. Self-regulating, like a primitive safety system written by geology. This reactor didn't glow like a sci-fi core. It hummed underground, a slow, steady furnace that left behind strange fingerprints. The isotope ratios were altered. Xenon trapped in the rock carried the nuclear signatures. Scientists could see, in mineral form, the echoes of ancient fission. The implications go deeper than an oddity in a French lab report. This natural reactor became a real-world experiment about our universe. It proved that fundamental constants hadn't shifted wildly in a billion years. It taught engineers how nature stores and traps radioactive waste. It suggested that given the right chemistry, planets could accidentally light themselves with nuclear fire. Think about that. A planet-sized chance event made a reactor that regulated itself. No control rods, no human design, just physics and groundwater. The image is humbling. Humanity finally learned to harness the same force that Earth once exploited by accident. The same power that can vaporize a city was quietly at work, while continents were forming and life was only just gaining a foothold. If a rock can teach us about safety, time, and the unblinking durability of physical laws, what else is tucked into the stone beneath our feet? Hit subscribe for more mysteries that make the world look stranger and smarter. Tell me in the comments which ancient secret you want cracked next.